When you want to create funny content you see on the internet, something like all of these videos, right, you see here, let's play one so you see. So something like this.
Make some noise for love when no the fear species. Make some.
Okay, so what you're simply going to do is, first of all, is to copy the link of the video. So any video you see anywhere, right, but specifically I will highly recommend you do it on YouTube, because I'll explain why. Now you just tap on this share button, right, and then copy the link. Now when you copy the link, I want you to go to this platform Gemini, right, gemini.google.com, right. So just type it on your mobile phone. You can do it on the mobile phone too. Now when you come to gemini.google.com, I want you to paste these prompts, analyze the video and watch, analyze this video, right. So let's just put this video and watch it deeply. Tell me everything that happened, because you can say anything that happened, yeah, because I want to replicate it as a text to video prompt, right. So what you're going to do is now come to the in front of this prompt, right, and then paste the link that you copied, and then what you're going to simply do is to just submit, right. Now the reason why I said you should use YouTube is because YouTube and Google owns YouTube, right. So it is very easy for them to share data, you understand, because if you copy this link from, let's say, Instagram and then paste it here, it's not going to analyze the video well, right. So just get the point. If you copy, if you copy, you do not copy a link from let's say Facebook or other platforms. Download the video from let's say Facebook and other platforms, and then upload the video in your Gemini, and then tell it to like analyze the video, right. But if you're using YouTube, you can copy the link. So that is the advantage you get of these two. So let's wait for it to finish analyzing. Now it has finished giving all the information, right. So what you're going to do is to just scroll down, right. You scroll down to this prompt here, because this is where it's going to give you the prompt, right. So this is the prompt here. So all you're simply going to do is to additional details for fine tuning. Okay, wow. All right, all right, all right. So you can simply copy this prompt here. You can simply copy this prompt here, right. Copy it. This is what you're going to use, right, to recreate that video. Now it might not necessarily give you exactly the video, like exactly, but you're going to get the concept of video, because the idea is for you to replicate certain things, right, certain videos, not completely copy, right. So please put that in mind. Now, so what you're going to do next is you can either use the same platform, right, or go to another platform that I'm going to show you. But let's go to another platform that I'm going to show you. Now come to this platform called Flow, right. So just type Flow, on your browser, and then just search it. So you're going to see labs.google.fx/tools.flow, right, /flow. So Flow, this is a platform that you're going to use to create these videos. So when you come here, all you're simply going to do is to just tap on this get started, right. You're going to register with your email, right. So when you register with your email, you're going to get a particular amount of credit. I think 100 credits. May I have 740 credits, right, but you're going to get 100 credits, right, for registering in this platform. So what you're simply going to do next is just to tap on this new project, right. So now you're on this new project, right. This is what you're going to do. You're going to come here and then make sure it's on video, right, because it's video you want to create, right. And then also, because you have limited amount of credit, please be very thoughtful and just pay attention to what I'm going to do. Now you see this text to video, right. You make sure it's on text to video. This frames to video, ingredients to video, create image. So just put text to video because it's the prompt that we copied. Now what we want to do is to come down here to these settings right here. So you want the output to be 1 because it's going to like take a lot of your credits. You can make the output 4, so it's going to give you like 4 different variation of these videos, right, with same prompt. So you can tap on this place and make it fast quality. Just leave it in this fast, right, because if you put quality, it's going to take a lot of your data. If you put this fast with no audio, it's not going to give you audio, right. So we want this with audio, right. So you're going to come here to this either landscape or portrait, depending on the on whatsoever one you want, right? So let's make it portrait, right? And let's see whether it's going to give us that. So now each generation uses 20 credits, right? So take mind. So what you're going to do now is come to this place, right? And then paste that prompt that you copied. So what you're going to do next is to tap on enter and let's see what it does. Let's see how it creates the wonderful magic. Let's see what it does in replicating that idea. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. So you just wait for it and be patient, right, as it's loading for the video to get ready. So it just hit me up with a message that it couldn't generate. And if you come up here, you're going to see that Flow is currently experiencing high demand, right, affecting Nano Bananas Pro video generation. So I request. So let's just dismiss this. So sometimes it's going to give these issues, right? So you can also just come back and try it again, and let's see. Let's try it for this time, and let's see. If it doesn't work, then we'll now try with another platform, right? So it has generated for us this video, right? And you can just come to this place and just download it, right? But let's watch it first and see how funny this is.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting for the very first time, the newlyweds.
So now one of the things that I've gotten to understand is that okay, it gave us like an abroad setting with abroad people, right? You get the point. But that one was like Nigerian wedding. So what you're going to do if you want to get particular result, I told you it's not going to give you exactly the same thing, right? And so what you're going to do is like you look at the prompt, right? And you're going to tweak it to your own desired outcome. So let's say if it's Nigerian setting you want, you can also include it in the prompt, right, before pasting it or when pasting it, right? You're going to include it in the prompt. So when you paste the prompt, you can now say this is a Nigerian wedding, right? So that's what you're going to do, right? And you're now going to tap on go, and it's going to give you like a Nigerian setting, right, instead of this setting. So you can now come and just download it, right, like this. You can download original size, right? You can download it and it's automatically going to download on your mobile phone, right? You can access this on your mobile phone, please. You can access this on your mobile phone, right? So that is how you create funny animation. So you can just get it, you can get inspiration from the internet, please. You don't need to crack your head from scratch, right? You can get inspiration from anywhere. If you're not going to use YouTube, right, to get your link, please download the video from wheresoever you want to download. When you want to download any video from the internet, right, you can just, let's say you copy the link from Instagram. All you're simply going to do is just come to Google and just search for Instagram or IG down downloader, right, for phone or for PC, right, depending on what you're going to use. So just search that, and then it's going to open for you links, right, that you can use to paste those videos, right, those link, right, so that you're going to download the video and then take it and upload it to Gemini, right, and then tell Gemini. So you come to this plus, upload it, right, and then tell Gemini use this script, right, use this what's the name, this prompt, right, to make it analyze the video and then get you the exact results that you want. So I hope you got value from this video, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share with your friends, right?